I found myself in an utterly transformed state. It was as if I were in an ecstasy. I felt as though I were floating in space, as though I were safe in the womb of the universe, in a tremendous void, but filled with the highest possible feeling of happiness.
only feel that all burning fire inside me. But I'm afraid I'd be just a bad liar. Be just a bad liar.